Brad Williams, XL Primed in 157, tutorial 157. I said, I'm going to show you how to deal with, I'm going to show you all unique automakers ignoring blank cells. I showed you how to count this, but then I said, I don't have enough room. Here is how you count the actual automakers if there's a blank. We just put unique and then we filter the information. We did the exact same thing with count A. And then we use the exact same means here as we are with unique. Here's the layout. We're going to return that a unique list based on the filter. And it's just saying, show me everything that's not a blank. That's all it's saying. Read this up over here. If you need to experiment with this thing, change it up. And you're also going to see an occasional spill deal here. You see that spill? I don't know what it causes it. If you know, just let me know. The reason it spills, well, it's not because this is possibly in the way. The spill feature can't spill any further than the range. Well, I think it's this randomness, and I know that's what it is. I'm using this ran between, and spill can't deal with it sometimes. Brad Williams, XL Prime, continue to practice this. Practice, 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 perfection.